Best pizza ovens. Pizza ovens have surged in popularity as more people look to recreate pizzeria-style pies at home, whether it's for quick weeknight pizzas, weekend bake-offs, or outdoor entertaining. In this roundup, we evaluate options based on heating performance, cooking speed, build quality, versatility, and overall value for different uses: indoor, countertop, outdoor, multifunction. Product number 1, Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven, 12-inch, 3-minute pizza. This electric pizza oven delivers 12-inch artisan-style pizzas in just 3 minutes with no need to rotate, ideal for fast, reliable results. It offers 5 pizza settings: Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and custom, letting you tailor crust and bake style according to preference. Thanks to electric heating, no flame, temperature control stays consistent and precise, which is particularly useful if you want predictable cooking without managing wood or gas. Its medium footprint and straightforward controls make it a strong choice for patios, balconies, or small backyards, a good balance between portability and power.
Product number 2, Gourmet Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster, 1800-watt countertop multi-cooker. This countertop unit heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling 12-inch pizzas to finish in as little as 2 minutes, while the included stone ensures an evenly baked, crisp crust. Beyond pizza, it doubles as an air fryer, toaster, broiler, roaster, and more, giving it strong versatility for everyday cooking beyond just pizza nights. Its dual heating and convection design allows for independent top and bottom heat control, which helps melt cheese evenly while crisping the base nicely. For small kitchens or apartments, this is a space-efficient, multi-use appliance that covers a lot of cooking needs.
Product number 3, Cuisinart Portable Countertop Pizza Oven, CPZ120. This portable countertop oven is engineered to reach 350 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to bake a 12-inch Neapolitan pizza or similar, typically in under 5 minutes. It comes with a heat-conducting pizza stone for nice crusts, a deep dish pan for thicker pies, and a pizza peel, making it a fairly complete kit for home pizza making. The viewing window and interior light are small but handy touches, letting you track cook progress without losing heat, useful for precise baking. While it may not reach the blazing temperatures of outdoor ovens, its versatility, handling thinner or deeper pizzas, and countertop convenience make it a solid choice for those with limited outdoor space or living in apartments. Product number 4, Electric Pizza Oven, Generic Countertop Model. This entry-level countertop oven performs basic pizza baking at a modest heat and aims to offer value for money. It's reminiscent of simpler electric models on the market, enough for casual pizza nights or frozen pizza reheating. Because of its simple build, it may suit those just looking to bake pizzas occasionally rather than aspiring to pizzeria-quality crusts. Product number 5, Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven, 12-inch, 700 degrees Fahrenheit max. Alternative listing or regional variant. This version, listed under the same ASIN but aiming at a different market, emphasizes its 700 degrees Fahrenheit max heat and 5-in-1 functionality: bake, broil, warm, proof, etc., offering flexibility beyond just pizzas. It's well suited for outdoor gatherings where you might want sides or bread baked alongside pizzas. The controlled electric heating gives consistent results, useful if you prefer convenience and predictability over managing fire or gas.